healthy foods. For breakfast, I have milk, juice, eggs, bread, butter, cheese, and even cereal. For brunch, I have fruits like apple, banana, kiwi, orange, watermelon, avocado, those types of fruits. And even my fruit basket. For lunch, I have meat like fish and chicken. For evening snacks, I have almonds, walnuts, and milk. For dinner, I have vegetables like carrots, cabbage, corns, broccolis, tomatoes, and everything like that. And also some salad afterwards and some soup. And for dessert, I can have sweets like pumpkin pie or cookies or even ice cream.